Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up internet connection on the Alcatel Link Hub LTE router. Open Alcatel dedicated app on your smartphone and there go to the settings, go to the Ethernet WAN connection, and there you can choose connection type, and you need to input account and password. All these should be provided to you by your internet provider. If not, you need to contact them. To confirm everything, click apply and your internet connection should be ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.